Oh boy.
Yay!
It's a big one. Big alligator.
Alligator.
This program is the STEM Research Experience for Students. This is our 4th year this summer doing this. We've had a variety of students. Some have went on to college and stuff already that seem to be doing very well. Here at the Sequoyah National Wildlife Refuge, we have 4 summer youth workers this year that's working on our project. 2 that are in college, 2 that are still in high school, and they're learning a variety of things as far as education goes. They're not only just learning about turtles and stuff, but they're also learning about plants and different snakes that we see along the way. And so it's really a good wildlife exposure for them. And being a STEM research field assistant like this, it's something that they can put on their resume. It's something that's going to build their college application, their scholarship application. And it's going to make them a better student and a better professional as they enter into the fields. Because very seldom do undergraduate students ever get the experience to do research like this, but these kids are getting it at the high school level.
Fully grown softshell, spiny. I tell you it's a softshell because of the little cross inside of his nose.
The crew that we have here this year, Bobby and Keisha and Shannon and Chevy, wonderful crew, very proud of them. They've learned a lot. They do studying off-site, learning about different turtles and stuff, and they'll come in and ask facts and questions, and I really just enjoy this project with the students. It's a very much a native way of teaching things, and so they teach to the hands-on first, and they actually get to touch the turtles, and then we fill in with the lecture and information later, like you might typically have in Western science.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or 10.
Not a recap.
On Mondays we come out and we set nets. We have to look for the right depth and the right location. We're looking for habitat for as logs and structures in the water for turtle habitat, and we bait with fresh fish. We use all rough fish. We don't use any game fish. And each day after that, if we got nets in the water, we have to run our nets. And so we come up to the net and we're very careful pulling up to it slowly, and we pull the net straight up, keeping the throat tight on it. That way the turtles can't escape as we're pulling the net out of the water. They get the turtles out of the net, and we measure a variety of species, whether that be map turtles or red ear sliders or the alligator snapping turtle. The other species of turtles, we just note their gender and what species they were, and we do keep a logbook of all of the data. There's times that we have to get into the water and reset the traps. It's a process. They get tangled up. Sometimes, you know, we get high water and flooding and stuff. Sometimes it'll roll the nets and they'll get tangled up. We'll get sticks and stuff out of them. There's been a few occasions where we've even had a snake in the net that we've had to get out.
I've learned a lot. I've found a field I'm really interested in and ready to study when I go to college. It's very hands-on and a great learning experience for younger kids, and opens your eyes to a whole new world, and you get to work with professionals and just see how everybody does it in the real world.